There are a lot of conferences where people go just to look important and nothing comes out of it. We're about action. We think you all are as interesting as the speakers, and we think that bumping and connecting, the next Google for AI that may buy Google someday, could be two people that meet today.
And I think sort of the analogy of what's happened with ChatGPT is something like the first telephone that actually worked.
When we look back on this day, one of the things you may notice is that today we have, I think, 60 speakers or so that are the top people in this region in AI. It's a great opportunity to absorb information. This may be the last time in your life that you come to an event like this and there's no AI talking to you.
This is Imagination Action. Who's excited to be here?